Agweek TV Soy Insight, brought to you by the North Dakota Soybean Council.
April is Soy Foods Month, and what better way to celebrate than with some new soy recipes? Some aspiring chefs use soy ingredients to develop new award-winning dishes. In this month's Soy Insight, Rose Dunn gives you a taste of some of the winners.
So it's tofu sushi rolls and tofu cabbage rolls.
Alexis Harstead is a student in the culinary program at the North Dakota State College of Science in Wahpeton. She and her classmates were invited to develop recipes for the Soy Foods contest sponsored by the North Dakota Soybean Council. Alexis was a triple threat in the contest with winning appetizer, main dish, and dessert recipes she dreamed up.
It actually affected my sleep. I could not sleep because it was constantly on my mind about how I could do this.
The contest is designed to highlight the high-quality plant-based soy protein. The students say they liked working with soy.
I think soy is very versatile.
Student chef Sean Maddock won first place in the entree category with his pork bowl with edamame slaw. He plans to incorporate more soy into his work and his own diet.
Well, it's cheap, it's versatile, it's pretty widely available in most places, and it's fun to work with too, because it's different, it's new. Like I said, you can do anything with it.
Dallas Leff grows soybeans and is a director on the North Dakota Soybean Council board. He and his family are trying to get more soy into their meals at home, and he's happy to stop in and sample the winning dishes.
For younger people, younger chefs especially, to integrate soy into maybe some of their dishes at an early age, like this is pretty cool. Like this, they can use this forever now. So this is a good investment, I think, for the Soy Council or checkoff dollars.
In Wahpeton, North Dakota, this is Rose Dunn for Agweek.
The top 3 student chefs in each category were awarded scholarship funds to help with tuition from the North Dakota Soybean Council. You can find all the winning recipes at the website on your screen.